guys, this is Ray from Textros. Today I'll show you how to install EU ROM in POCOX3 device. Okay. So all you need to first reboot and go into recovery. Okay. Hold the volume up and power button together. And remove the power button. Hold the volume up button. Gone to recovery. You need to insert your pen drive which contains custom ROM. So first you need to wipe the data. Then select the storage. Select the EU ROM. Guys, you need to click reboot system. Okay. So guys, you can see the EU ROM Miui footing.